Okay, so this type of boundary is called a transform boundary. It's not moving apart or together. It's just kind of sliding across and next to each other. A characteristic transform boundary is the San Andreas Fault, which is also very popular. It makes its way into movies a lot as well, probably because Hollywood is being affected by the San Andreas Fault. So what's happening here is that the boundary is moving or sliding against each other. And as you can imagine, if big areas of land are sliding and grinding together, it doesn't happen very smoothly. It kind of builds up and then slips, and it's very disruptive. So that's why we see a lot of earthquakes in California. We'll also see landslides and maybe sinkholes, things like that. Okay, so here's, if we were looking at the continent, here's California, here's where we are at George Fox up in Oregon, and then the San Andreas Fault kind of forms this line right here. So a fault is basically just a break in the earth, similar to a rift, okay, or a ridge. It's just where, probably due to the convection in the mantle and that pressure and different actions that are affecting it, it just broke into these two pieces. And so it's right along here. This part is moving up, that part's moving down, and I've heard that Los Angeles is going to be next to San Francisco eventually in the future, which could really reduce the commute time for a lot of Californians. That might be a benefit, but I think that's way in the future. So that's a transform boundary in the San Andreas Fault, a continental boundary.